welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Terror suspect Afzal was residing few yards away from CM's Mapusa residence. Prudent reveals Afzal's movement in sensitive area, a Prudent Media exclusive. Educationists and students unhappy over government's late announcement of NEET claim NEET burdens students. Fear reduction of success rate of Goan students at the national level. It's Congress Hatao, Desh Bachao. MLA Pramod Sawant says scamsters in IDC and SEZ will be put behind bars. Anurag Thakur says Manmohan Singh's government most corrupt. Vashi Island becomes homeland for national bird peacock. Over dozens of peacock move freely on island, a Prudent Media special. And Goan cricketers doing their job well. No need of outstation players, says coach Vivek Kolamkar. Goa take on Shikhar Dhawan's Delhi side in their Moeedud-Dawla opener. Now the news in detail. It is shocking. The terror suspect Afzal Khan was staying just 40 to 50 meters away from CM Manohar Parrikar's residence at Korli, Mapusa. Team Prudent's report reveals Afzal's movement in this sensitive area since last almost 3 years. Interestingly, Mapusa police had information about Afzal's family as intimated by the house owner. But what did the local cops do with it? No answer. Meanwhile, Mumbai ATS, who are in state, interrogated Afzal on Sunday to find out his links with terror outfits, a Prudent Media exclusive.
अफजल खान जो सस्पेक्ट वेर्णा पोलिसांनी धरला ताच्या बद्दल जेन्ना आमी इन्क्वायरी केली तेन्ना कळ्ळें तो म्हापसा खोर्ले सीमेर रावतालो आपल्या भावा बरोबर.
Terror suspect Afzal Khan, his two brothers, a sister-in-law, a joint Khan family were residing at Nilesh Shinde's residence in Korli, Mapusa for almost 3 years. They are into business of cloth trading.
त्याचा भाव ताहीर खान त्यांचा म्हापशा ते कपडे विकतात. गेली 15 वर्सां ते म्हापशान आसा आणि त्यांचा भाव जो पयलीं तो काचेचें काम करपाक गोंया हाडलो ताका तेंच्यांनी.
Afzal's expert in glass-related work, Khan family expected that Afzal would be a helping hand to his elder brother in his business. Shinde, the owner of house, had provided detailed information about the family to the Mapusa police.
रिलेटिव्ह आमचे थंय रावताले तुका 2-3 वर्सां जाली. पुलीस स्टेशनामध्ये डॉक्युमेंट दिल्लेले आहा तुका. आतां कितें चेंजीस तेंचे कोण आतां कोण रावना तांकां सांगलां आमी की तुमी सोडात म्हणून. बेश्टेन प्रॉब्लेम आमकां नाका काय म्हणून.
आतां ते तुमकां आतां कितें डावट बीन तेंचो?
ना थंय डावट काय नासले कित्याक ते सकाळ फुडें येताले. कपड्याचो बिझनेस करताले ते सॅडिका. सकाळी फुडें येताले सांजचे वयताले. काय नासलें म्हणजे ते इंटरली कितें करताले ते आमकां काय खबर नासलें.
Team Prudent contacted the Mapusa police.
म्हापशा पुलिसांक जेन्ना आमी हाच्या बद्दल विचारलें तेन्ना म्हापशा पुलिसांनी कांय उलोवपाक तयार ना, कित्याक तर ती केस सद्या नॅशनल सेक्युरिटी जाता म्हणून तेंच्यांनी कांय उलोवंक रेडी ना ते. पूण म्हापशा पुलिसांनी तांकां इंटरग्रेट केलें म्हणटात.
Afzal was residing just 40 to 50 meters away from CM's ancestral house at Korli, Mapusa. But the question is, was the approach of local cops towards this sensitive area was casual? Police have received an information that Afzal Iqbal Khan has links with the terrorist outfits. Mumbai anti-terrorist squad is in Goa to interrogate Afzal. He allegedly had hidden motives to have blast in Goa at religious and tourist spots. Police suspect his links with the Pune bomb blast. A team of Goa police has been sent to Pune to investigate. Afzal was found in possession of 5 SIM cards of different companies. Mumbai police interrogated Khan at Verna police station on Sunday to find out his links with other terror outfits.
तो जर हा पळय जागा आसा आनी मनोहर पर्रीकर जे सीएमाचें जें घर आहा मेन तें काय ना म्हटल्यार अशें एक 100 मिटराच्या अंतराचेरूच आसा आनी म्हणून ह्या गजालीक एक भलतेंच आतां वळण येयल्लेलें आसा. विथ श्याम सुंदर पट्टे, दिस इज महेश खडे रिपोर्टिंग फ्रॉम प्रुडंट मीडिया.
Many educationists and students of Standard 11 and 12 are disgusted over the late announcement of the National Eligibility Entrance Test in the country. The government's announcement of NEET has only added more burden onto the students, leaving very little time for them to prepare. Now, fear has been expressed over the reduction of success rate of Goan students at the national level.
These are applicable for all medical and dental colleges across the country. ही 12 मे 2013 तारखेक आसा. नीट exam will be videographed and unfair means will be dealt with serious action.
To find out the apprehensions of students and the educationists over the late announcement of NEET, Prudent caught up with some of the science students of 12th standard. This is what the students had to say.
Well, now with NEET we have to study 11th as well as 12th, so we will have to prepare put double the effort and refer to a lot of books and much more concentration, and we don't get that much free time, but we'll have to somehow manage.
But like we have to manage all the important subjects, like we have very less time, and like to referring to books, like there are so many books and there's like very less time, and we have to manage the 11th standard portion also together, so it will be very difficult for us.
And now we have to compete with whole India, so we have to like put more effort, more hard work, so that we can come at that level and compete with the others.
So it will be the whole of India right now. So mostly like other books like which are taught in other states, which may be available in Goa, so we could get those books.
We spoke with the principals of Dempo High Secondary and the Don Bosco High Secondary. This is what they had to say over the NEET announcement.
It is going to be much more competitive because these exams are going to be conducted at the national level, which I feel is a good thing for our Goan students. They'll be forced to become more competitive, more ambitious. That will help them, get them out of their susagat attitude, as we Goans normally are.
Of course, when they are not taken to confidence, they will become nervous. The communication part we have to take care very carefully, so that they are informed well in advance and they prepare their mindset for competing at the national level, which has not happened so far.
However, the principal of Mustafan High Secondary, Navnath Parulekar, sees a brighter side to this national level competitive examination. He says the examination will act as a self-assessment for the standard of education in Goa. Our reporter from Panji, Pratik Parav, with video journalist Omkar Farari.
Sankeli MLA Dr. Pramod Sawant has warned that Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar will act tough against the people involved in scams like SEZ, IDC, and the scamsters will be put behind bars. The MLA was speaking at the convention Congress Hatao Desh Bachao, organized by Bharatiya Yuva Morcha in Panji on Sunday. President of All India Bharatiya Yuva Morcha, Anurag Thakur, has charged that Manmohan Singh's government is one of the most corrupt governments India has ever seen.
केंद्रात तसे मंत्री भितर पडले, आयदर 2G स्कॅमान आसात, आता कुळसाय घोटाळ्यान पडटले, आदर्श घोटाळ्यान पडटले, तसे गोंयांनी पडपाचे आसा. थोड्या दिसा भितर गोंयांत जी प्रकरणां फुडें येता, आयदर सेज आसात, आयदर IDC घोटाळा आसात, तुम्ही पळयात मनोहरभाई पर्रीकराच्या सरकारात ज्यांचे हात या घोटाळ्यांनी गुंतल्या, हेका सगळे भितर पडपाचे आसात.
काय विधानसभेने कोण चोर तांकां दिसणार, चोर आसा तेच एक कुत्र्याक कितें तरी बिस्कीट घालून देत, तोय कुत्र्याक गप्प बसल्यात. शेवटाक कशी परिस्थिती निर्माण जाल्ली आसा की विरोधकांमदी विरोध करपाची ताकद उरली ना. म्हणून जर आम्ही न्हिदले जर जाय जाल्यार लोकांची प्रॉब्लम्स सॉल्व जावचे ना.
देश की अर्थव्यवस्था चरमरा गई पिछले 8 वर्षों. एक अर्थशास्त्री के होते हुए भी देश की अर्थव्यवस्था चरमरा. एक अर्थशास्त्री के होते हुए भी महंगाई पर अंकुश 8 वर्षों में नहीं लग पाया. एक ईमानदार प्रधानमंत्री के होते हुए पिछले 64 वर्षों में, इन द लास्ट 64 इयर्स, अगर सबसे भ्रष्ट सरकार किसी ने देखी है तो मनमोहन सिंह सोनिया गांधी की सरकार सबसे भ्रष्ट है। ये देश के लिए शर्मनाक बात है।
Our video journalist from Panji, Tulsidas Chari.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.